Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will guide you through how to fix the Snapchat media upload problem step by step. So if you are trying to post a snap or send a video or photo and it just won't upload, keep buffering or gets stuck, don't worry, this is a common issue and I will walk you through the best ways to fix it under a few minutes. But before we proceed, make sure you check out the links in the description. It will be the resources that are used in this video and these will be helpful for you. So let's get started. First of all, you need to check your internet connection. Start with the basic. Make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile network. If you see that your internet connection is not good, you can try this trick in which you will have to simply swipe down your notification bar in the top, then tap on this airplane mode once. Then you need to simply wait for 5 to 10 seconds and tap on this airplane mode again. So what this will do is it will just improve the connection speed, and then you just have to simply try to open your Snapchat and try to send your photo or video or any other form of media to your friends and check if the problem is still there or not. If you see that the problem is in the Snapchat only, you can just try to open YouTube and Instagram to test if the media is loading there normally or not. If you see that media is loading in Instagram and YouTube normally but not in your account in Snapchat, it means that the problem is from the Snapchats and your account is not the problem. If that's the case with you, you just have to simply wait for some time and then try again later. Then you can try this second method in which you just have to simply come back on the home page, and here you need to long press on your Snapchat app. Then tap on this eye icon and you will be landed in your app info section. Now in the app info you will see storage, so tap on storage, then tap on clear data and press clear cache and then press OK. So what this will do is it will clear the cache or the temporary files, or it is going to just delete some of the unused files of your Snapchat account, and it will improve the speed of your Snapchat app. So you just have to simply follow this step, and you just have to try to open your Snapchat and check whether this problem is fixed or not. If the issue still persists, I have another method for you in which you need to simply go to your Google Play Store or App Store and search for Snapchat. Once you tap on its icon, you will see this type of interface. Now if you see any update option over here in the top right hand corner, you need to simply tap on that update option and wait for some time until the latest update installed in your device. After updating your app, you just have to simply launch it and try to send the media and check if the issue is still there or not. If you see that it is still not working and you want more options, I would recommend you to tap on the uninstall option here on this page and uninstall the app completely from your device. Then you need to reinstall it and it will just improve the speed of your Snapchat app. So these were some of the fixes that you can try to fix the problem of Snapchat media upload problem. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more Snapchat fixes and mobile tech guides. Thanks for watching this video and I will see you in the next one.